You run a home service business. You're on the go. Your phone is practically glued to your hand. It's your lifeline to clients, your team, and essential business information. But how do you manage all that chaos? How do you stay organized, efficient, and profitable while juggling a million things at once? Picture this: you're in a client's home, knee-deep in a plumbing issue. Your phone rings, it's a new service request. Then, a team member texts you about a supply shortage. Your head is spinning. Sound familiar? Well, what if I told you there's a tool that could potentially save your sanity? What if I told you there's a chance to streamline your entire business from the palm of your hand? Intrigued? Let's talk about Housecall Pro. Now, you've probably heard of Housecall Pro. It's a popular name in the home service industry. It's software designed to help businesses like yours manage everything from scheduling to invoicing. But here's the burning question. Does Housecall Pro have an app? The short answer is yes, and it's a game changer. Imagine having your entire business operations in your pocket. That's exactly what the Housecall Pro app offers. It's like having your office assistant, your scheduler, and your financial manager all rolled into one convenient little device. So what can you actually do with the Housecall Pro app? Let's break it down. First off, scheduling. Forget about those paper appointment books or juggling multiple calendars. With the Housecall Pro app, you can schedule appointments on the fly. You can see your team's availability in real time, and you can even send appointment reminders directly to your clients. No more double bookings or missed appointments. But it doesn't stop there. The app also lets you manage your team. You can assign jobs, track their location, and even communicate with them instantly. Need to send a message to your entire team about a service update? No problem. Just fire off a quick notification through the app. Now, let's talk about customer management. The app gives you access to your entire customer database. You can view their history, check their contact information, and even send them estimates or invoices right from your phone. It's like having your client's information at your fingertips 24/7. And let's not forget about the financial side of things. The Housecall Pro app allows you to create and send invoices, track payments, and manage your expenses. You can even set up recurring billing for maintenance contracts. It's financial management on the go. But wait, there's more. The app also offers features like job management, inventory tracking, and even customer reviews. It's essentially a mobile command center for your entire business. So, is the Housecall Pro app worth it? If you're serious about growing your home service business, the answer is a resounding yes. It's a tool that can help you save time, increase efficiency, and improve customer satisfaction. But before you dive in, it's important to consider a few things. First, the app is only as good as the data you put into it. Make sure you take the time to accurately input your customer information, job details, and financial data. Second, the app is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay updated with the latest features and improvements. So there you have it. Housecall Pro does indeed have an app, and it's a powerful